And just like that, we're traveling again.
I know, right? COVID made me miss business traveling in coach. Can you believe that?
No kidding. I'm John, by the way.
I'm Andrew.
Oh, nice to meet you, Andrew. And do you work at VMware?
Yes, I'm a product manager there for VMware Cloud.
Cloud? Anyway, I absolutely love you guys. I built my private cloud on vSphere, and over time, I adopted your entire portfolio and got promoted all the way to CIO.
Oh, nice. Congratulations. And what are you up to these days?
You know, same old, same old. Just trying to keep up with those business units and those damn developers.
So let me guess. You're building new apps on AWS to support your digital transformation initiative.
Yep. And Azure, Google, you name it. And of course, it's not like the old legacy apps are going away anytime soon. You know, that stuff that works. I wish you guys did something in the cloud, as your technology always rocked.
Well, I guess with everything going on, you have not paid attention to our cloud product strategy, though.
Cloud strategy?
Yes. We saw the emergence of multi-cloud computing years ago. Because like it always happens, IT environments tends to get more and more heterogeneous. So we saw an opportunity to do it all over again.
Do what all over again?
See, this is what we do. We make things that are not designed to work together, work together. We bring simplicity that in turn accelerate the business, right?
Oh yeah, you did that for us in spade across the whole on-prem stack.
Exactly. So, the cloud is no different. What started as a way to build new apps on single cloud platforms, say AWS, has now turned into a complex environment with multiple clouds, multiple developments and management stacks, and more than 80% of enterprises are using 2 or more clouds today.
Yep, us being one of them.
So, to help our customers with this new reality, we have taken our vCloud Foundation, that is our core compute, storage, and network stack of VMware Cloud, and made it run consistently across all public clouds: AWS, Azure, Google, Oracle, IBM, Alibaba, and another 4,500 partners that run this platform.
Wait, my team is already trained on VCF, so now all of a sudden they're multi-cloud gurus.
Precisely. You have the same exact platform across your private cloud, public cloud, and your edge. And you still have access to all the underlying and differentiated native cloud services that each of these cloud platforms provides.
Wow, I'm listening.
So now, you talk about new apps being built in the cloud, and these apps are most likely being built around microservices using containers and Kubernetes, right?
Yep, that's all DevOps talks about these days.
So you're going to love this. We have launched VMware Tanzu, which is part of VMware Cloud, where developers can build container-based applications that you in IT can deploy and manage side to side with existing VM-based ones.
That's very compelling.
And because everything runs on VCF, we give you a unified management stacks based on vRealize and intrinsic security throughout. You can think about VMware Cloud like this. It is your multi-cloud platform of the ends. Modern apps and traditional apps. It is for developers and operators. It runs on any cloud and on-prem and gives you unified operations and security. VMware Cloud can be your single multi-cloud environment for all your apps.
Well, that's awesome. How do I get started?
It all starts with your apps. What I recommend is that we sit down with your application and ops teams and we run an application portfolio assessment to help you define a strategy for each of them.
Such as?
We look at your apps through the lenses of our 5R framework. The first R is retain for the apps that you will keep on-prem. So VMware Cloud is the perfect environment to run those applications using a modern cloud-like infrastructure in your own data center. This will lower your cost and improve your efficiency. And these apps will be ready to go to the cloud as soon as you are. Next is Rehost, when you're moving apps or a data center into the cloud. VMware Cloud allows you to vMotion hundreds of applications or entire data centers straight to the cloud in days or weeks. This is because you're running the same infrastructure on-prem and in the cloud, and you can reuse the existing VMware skills that you already have in your organization. And all this without requiring to refactor your application. Think about that for a second. Next R is Replatform. VMware Cloud allows you to repackage your apps into containers that you can then run either on-prem or in the public cloud and orchestrate them using Kubernetes. Now, let's talk about refactor and build. VMware Cloud allows you to rewrite existing applications or build new ones using the latest cloud native technology that you find in VMware Tanzu. And lastly, for the applications that you retire as you adopt new SaaS solutions in the cloud, VMware Anywhere Workspace gives you the perfect environment to securely access all these apps across any device.
Well, it seems like a very comprehensive structured approach to application portfolio management, but it sounds expensive.
Well, I can spend the rest of this flight talking your ears off about how VMware Cloud is cheaper and faster, but don't take my word for it. IDC ran a study and found that VMware Cloud makes developers 32% more productive. It is 56% faster to move applications to the cloud, and it has a 59% lower TCO than going native. Oh, and I almost forgot. Now you can buy VMware Cloud using VMware Universal, a license system to buy subscription credits up front that you can then spend across on-prem, cloud, and edge. Another way you can adopt the cloud at your own pace.
Dude, I'm so glad I ran into you on this flight. Let's get our teams together soon, okay?
That sounds like a plan.